Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119, also harbackelectronics.com. I had a lot of orders to fill this morning. I had a 922 up on the bench. Customers thinking about if he wants to follow through, needs a lot of stuff. He bought it from an estate. So instead I'll work on this Al811h today. So customer bought this a long while back. Grids are not grounded. He had a tube flash, took out one of the grid loading resistors. I always check the SO239s and I like to show the condition. Here's the PL259. It's the output side. Look. No grip. That's the output. There's the input. That one has a tiny bit, but still not a rock solid connection. So I'll pull the tube socket assembly out, press the socket clips, clean the socket clips with deoxit gold, make sure all the retainer tension clip things are present, ground the grids right to the metal, resecure the safety choke to a new solder tab. Clean the output rotary switch with deoxit gold, input rotary switch with deoxit gold. Fix this. Should be a little bit shorter and it's kind of a mess there. So notice that someone must have changed the multimeter switch because it has connectors instead of being soldered. If they're nice and tight, I'll leave it alone. I don't want to open a can of worms. But if they come off easily, then I'll have to fix it. So I'll touch up on solder joints and tighten on up hardware. This was actually packed on its side. I'm shocked the plate choke didn't snap. Now look at it, it is at an angle a little bit, but I think the floor might be bent a little. I'll straighten it out, but the ceramic's okay. But I always put a longer screw in, but I am shocked. I can't believe it did not snap. The straps look okay, they're not frayed. Getting a brand new set of Penta Lab 572B tubes. Great company, great customer service. And the SO239s I sourced from Max Gain Systems. Cool people over there. Okay, so I always use those. They're silver plated with a Teflon dielectric, just a gold center clip assembly. So I'll be back. Stay tuned. See you guys soon. Okay, so I added the gas discharge tubes, grounded the grids right to the metal, pressed the socket clips, and cleaned them with deoxit gold. Removed the metal oxide varistors, added the wire for the bias mod, zip tied it, nice. I'm going to change the SO239s, and I'll be back in a bit. See you soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al811h. I'll go over everything I did real quick. So I took the socket assembly out, grounded the grids like I showed you, added the gas discharge tubes, compressed the socket clips, cleaned the socket clips with deoxit gold, did the bias modification, added a solder tab for the safety choke, clean the input rotary switch with deoxit gold, output rotary switch / band switch with deoxit gold, straighten the plate choke, put a longer screw in, shorten leads for the plate blockers, corrected all of it, both sides. Tightened up on screws, touched up on solder joints. Changed the SO239s with high quality ones from Max Gain Systems. Got a brand new set of Penta Lab tubes and it works as it should. 572Bs. I'll say it again, I'll only work on one of these if the customer is willing to upgrade to 572Bs. 811s are just too prone to flashing, and lots of bad stuff happens when one flashes. So that's about it. If you need any help repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. Website is amprepairguy.com, and also HarbachElectronics.com. Again, the Harbach stuff, I get it out within 1 business day. Amplifiers, usually in and out within 2 weeks. That's like in the door. Worst case, usually the 2 weeks is if I have to order a part, or if I'm waiting on a tube, if I don't happen to have the tubes here from Penta. So, I'm very quick. Very, very quick. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. 73.